Hello, my name is Ronald Fernandez. I'm CEO of this startup incubation center, which is AIC RNTU. It's an ETR supported incubation center where we support early stage startup. So we have established a lab with support of Berry Avionics of a drone. So it's a drone lab which we have established, and drone. We think drone is a thing of the future. A lot of startups and students need this technology, practice on this technology to move forward. I mean, there is a lot of shortage of trained pilots also for drone, and that need is increasing day by day. So, as part of this lab, we did a training program also with the help of Berry Avionics, and students have given amazing feedback. They have understood the replication and technology of drone. Uh, Going forward, they would be learning this technology, and I think they would. This would actually help them in career enhancement. So, thanks to Berry Avionics for conducting this training, which our students and our faculty attended, and they were very happy and satisfied with the training program. Thank you.